The Ministry of Water, Environment and Climate Change will be spending a total of $15.8 billion for its overall expenditure this coming financial year, with a major chunk going to water and its infrastructures.
It is investment in your quality of life. It is investment in our commitment to Vision 2030, our Jamaica Vision 2030, to ensure that every man, woman and child has access to potable water by 2030.
The lion's share of that $15.8 billion is assigned to capital expenditure, while the remaining $4.59 billion will finance recurrent operating costs for the ministry and its agency, the Forestry Department. But more on that later. The ministry is executing 2 capital spending projects in the new fiscal year, one of which will deliver residents at the western end of the island with a comprehensive modernized water transmission network. The 3-year $23 billion Western Parishes Water Supply and Resilience Improvement Program will upgrade and replace aged pipeline infrastructure between Martha Brae to Leaders Avenue in Montego Bay and from Lucy to Negril, Westmoreland. The work is to deliver high-performance transmission pipelines, enhanced hydraulic capacity and operating pressure flow delivery across the service corridors, and reduced non-revenue water and operational disruption.
This is a transformational national project. This project is a commitment made, a commitment kept. This project is truly a national strategic development project. Now, what it is a genuine transformation of water distribution along the north coast. And that transformation will benefit residential customers, it will benefit commercial customers.
The $11 billion budgeted for the 2026-2027 fiscal year will propel development of the design for the new transmission pipeline infrastructure. It will also facilitate supply and installation of 2 kilometers of ductile iron pipes from Martha Brae to Montego Bay and 8 kilometers of 500 millimeter ductile iron pipes from Lucy to Negril. Ductile iron pipes will also be installed along the service corridor.
We want water everywhere. We want potable water everywhere. We want irrigation water for our farmers. And we want sanitation, meaning good sewage access.
And this is driving the ministry's second capital expenditure, the Rural Water Supply Improvement Project. Funded by the Jamaican government in partnership with the Caribbean Development Bank, the $5.7 billion 5-year project is expected to provide potable water service in non-utility service areas across several parishes. Once completed, residents will have potable water services in the Agualta Vale, Albert Town, Kemps Hill, Mason Hill, Union and Port Morant schemes. The $223 million allocated for the 2026-27 year will see to the preparation of detailed engineering designs, institutional strengthening of the Rural Water Supply Limited, and strengthening of gender and social communication plans. In addition to its capital projects, the ministry has set aside funds to execute important recurrent work to protect Jamaica's forests and wider environment, manage climate change impacts, and further deliver water to homes across the island. Over $1 billion of that is dedicated to water supply services, including added support for Rural Water Supply Limited and the continuation of the Rainwater Harvesting in Schools project and the rehabilitation of catchment tanks island-wide. Money is also set aside to transport water to drought-affected areas and support the operations of the Water Resources Authority. $323.9 million is also earmarked for environmental and climate change management, including weather services. A significant portion of the ministry's recurrent budget is direct financing for the operations of the Forestry Department. The department will use its $1.98 billion allocation to produce 500,000 tree seedlings and plant 130,000 to support national reforestation programs.
Forest Department on its own, we cannot do it. And the forest is not just for us, it's for every Jamaican. So we welcome everybody who will come and help us to get these targets off.
$70 million is also included for the Mangrove Plus project, which is supported by grant funding from the Food and Agriculture Organization, FAO. With every pipe commissioned and policies put in place to safeguard our environment, the Ministry of Water, Environment and Climate Change continues to build on its mission to provide access to safe water and an environmentally sustainable Jamaica.